Good morning, student. Today we will see types of demand. Now you can see that there are 5 types of demand: direct demand, indirect demand, joint demand, composite demand and competitive demand. Now let us see one by one what are their meanings and with example. Now first types of demand is direct demand. When goods are demanded or purchased by consumer for direct consumption, then it will call direct demand. When goods are demanded for direct consumption and people demanded goods for their consumption, then it is called direct demand. For example, you can see that vegetables, fruits, bakery product, cloth, these are the products which are demanded by consumer for their direct consumption. That's why it is called direct demand. Food, grains, pulses, these are the products which are demanded by consumer for their direct consumption. Then these are called, then it will call direct demand. Next, what is meant by indirect demand? Indirect demand is also called derived demand. When goods are demanded for producing another goods, then it will called indirect demand. When goods are demanded for producing consumer goods, it is called indirect demand. These goods, when goods which are demanded, when goods are demanded for producing another goods, then it will called indirect demand. You can see that the cotton is demanded for producing the cloth and wood is demanded for producing the furniture. That's why when these are the raw material products which are demanded for producing these final product. When these goods are demanded for producing another goods, then it will call indirect demand. Next, joint demand. What will be the joint demand? When 2 or more products are demanded jointly to satisfy single want, it is called joint demand. When 2 or more products are jointly demanded to satisfy single want, then it will called a joint demand. For example, you can see that for making tea, there are some products which are demanded: tea powder, sugar, milk, water. These are the complementary goods which are demanded for satisfying just a single want. That's why it will call joint demand. Now here in this picture we can see that for making tea, these all are the products which are required for making the tea. That's why when these goods are demanded jointly for satisfying just a single want of the people, then it will call joint demand. Next, this is also another example of joint demand: car, razor blade, printer, ink, razor and blade. When these 2 products are demanded for satisfying single want, that is shaving, printer and ink, these are some other example of joint demand. These are demanded, 2 or more products are jointly demanded just for satisfying a single want, that is called joint demand. Now next one is composite demand. Now what is meant by composite demand? When a single product is demanded for satisfying several wants, more than one want, then it will called composite demand. Demand for goods or commodity which satisfy several wants, more than one wants at a time, then it is called composite demand. The best example of composite demand is electricity. Electricity is demanded for satisfying more than one want. Electricity is also demanded for cooking purpose, for iron purpose, for cooling the room, for fan. for these all there are many needs which can be satisfied with the help of electricity. Electricity is the single product which are demanded for satisfying more than one want. And after electricity we can also take the example of milk. Milk may be used for making butter, milk chocolate, cheese, yogurt. These are the products which are made with the help of milk. That's why when milk are demanded for satisfying these all wants, for making these all product more than one wants, then it is called composite demand. Then it is called composite demand. What is meant by composite demand? Composite demand means when any product or commodity is demanded for satisfying more than one want, several want, then it will called composite demand. Now next one, last, competitive demand. Competitive demand is found where there is a competition between two products. When there is a substitute product for each other, there will be a competitive demand. For example, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. These two are the substitute product for each other, then their demand will be competitive demand. Demand of these all product will be called competitive demand because there is a competition between these two product because they have substitute for each other. If price of any product change, the demand of other product will also automatically change. Then competitive demand is found in those situation where there is a competition between two products or in the substitute product. When there is a substitute for each other, when there is any substitute product for each other, there will be a competitive demand. Friends, these were the types of demand which we have seen. If you have any suggestion, if you want more videos, then you can comment in comment box. Like and share our video and subscribe our channel. With your motivation, with your help, we will try to upload more and more videos on these all topics. Thank you.